as far as how Phasix goes, for my story personally, about 5 weeks ago I just had a ventral hernia repaired. As I met with the surgeon, it was really a great opportunity to talk about mesh options, and we went over everything and the size of my hernia and my size as a bigger guy, and we ended up choosing a resorbable option with the mesh, and I really feel confident with that option. When we were talking, we had a really candid conversation about his experience with resorbable meshes and his transformation from synthetic. So it made me feel at ease as a patient and a consumer. So my experience post-op was really 3 days of pain, moving around, soreness, and then honestly about a week after the surgery, I was back at work and moving around and just back to my normal everyday activities. My son happened to jump on my back about 10 days after surgery, and I thought I would feel something, but I felt strong. I didn't feel anything in my abdomen, no twitches, no pulling or anything like that. I would like a long-term repair without the foreign body, and that's why I chose Phasix, the resorbable mesh option.